What's up, everybody? Today I'm fishing here at DMAD Reservoir. I got something and it looks like a white crappie, and it is. That's my first white crappie ever. Nice fish. Look at that. This is the only place in the state you can catch white crappie. DMAD Lake, and the lake's attached. Beautiful fish, I love it. Very cool. Fish on. And white crappie. He ate that thing. Nice little fish. I just turned off the camera and got another. This feels a little different. It's fighting a little harder. Oh, there it goes. I'm guessing it was a little white bass. Got another fish. Awesome. Got another crappie. Nice. They're really white and silver in here because the water's so dirty. Beautiful fish. There's something. Little better crappie. Not a bad fish at all. Catching them on the flig, perch color. Really skinny fish. What do we got? Probably a little bullhead. Oh, I think it's off. Yep. Alright, let's see. Yeah, these little bullheads will bite and just hang on to that worm and not even get hooked. Got a fish. Nice little white. That one's a little healthier, not as skinny. Beauty. Oh, got hit. Looks like I finally hooked one of the bullheads. So small. This is bigger than usual though, out of here. Little guy is trying to steal my worm. That's mine. There's a fish. Another crappie. Floppy crappie. Nice. Got a little baby. Maybe white bass or wiper. Not sure. Little guy. Something. Crappie. Oh. The only thing better than catching a new species is catching a lot of them. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.